Why does your scanner show the P2240 engine code? What does it mean? P2240 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor positive current control circuit or open bank 2 sensor 1. This engine code indicates a problem with the oxygen sensor's heater circuit in bank 2, sensor 1. This usually means a wiring or sensor issue affecting the heater circuit that helps the oxygen sensor reach operating temperature quickly. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring problems, exhaust leak, heater circuit issues, engine control module failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Toyota, Nissan, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.